Hey there, I am thrilled to welcome you to my YouTube channel. My name is Nancy Badillo, and I am on a mission to empower small business owners like you to turn your passion into profits. If you are a driven entrepreneur looking to skyrocket your online business, you have definitely landed in the right spot. Here on this channel, we dive into a world of exciting topics that can help you level up your business game. I'm talking about strategies to grow your brand using the power of social media, the in and outs of establishing and expanding a lucrative business on Etsy, and how to create and most importantly, make money with digital products. Not only to mention, I share my personal toolkit of top-notch tools that will help you streamline your business operations like a pro. And we can't forget about those all-important mindset videos that are crucial when you are navigating the world of online entrepreneurship. Now, you might be wondering, why should I hit that subscribe button and stick around? Well, let me break it down to you. I have been in the digital marketing game since way back in 2009. I have also got a master's degree in business with a minor in marketing. And yes, I am all about that knowledge. But that's not all. I have been an Etsy coach since 2006. And I'm not just here to talk the talk, I actually walk the walk. I am a multi-six-figure business owner, and the heartbeat of my assistant is digital marketing. So if you are serious about taking your online business to new heights, you are in the right place. Subscribing to my channel is your golden ticket to a world of insights, strategies, and tips that can help you build an impactful online business. And I'm genuinely excited to be a part of your entrepreneur journey. Now, if you are new to this community, don't be shy to drop a comment below and introduce yourself. Share a bit about the kind of business that you are running. This is a welcoming space, and we are all here to learn from each other. And hey, if you got any special requests for any type of videos, please don't hesitate to let me know. Your input matters, and I'm here to create content that's tailored to your needs and interests. I have created an entire playlist of videos to equip you with the skills and knowledge you need to make your small business dreams a reality. You can see the list in the description box below. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and join this amazing community of entrepreneurs. I'm genuinely excited to embark on this journey with you and help you transform your small business into a thriving success. Welcome aboard, and let's get on this exciting adventure together.